Hi and welcome to Money Made Magic. My name's Suzanne and today I'm going to show you how to make a little salad that I did learn from another channel, and it's something that I featured, I think it was in one of my shops that I did. Anyway, I think I've shown you on one or two of the other videos the accompaniment, and it went with, a burger or something like that in one meal. So here's the method and the recipe for that. I hope you like it. So I've already peeled the carrot. So you need a carrot, you need either one or two spring onions, you need an apple, and you need some white cabbage, and you need some lemon juice, and you need a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of oil, and you mix it together. So I've already peeled all of these. I'm just going to very quickly chop and grate the carrot. Chop the onion and grate the carrot. So that all goes into a bowl. And then what I do is I'm going to squeeze the juice out of a lemon. If you've got a lemon juicer, that's brilliant. I don't. I used to have one years ago, Got no idea where that went. I don't have one. Just half of a lemon. Squeeze the juice out of that. Pips out on pips. You need to add the lemon juice. Just trying to get a little pip out of that. Yes, the lemon juice. You only want about a teaspoon of oil, just to sort of dress it, really, not that much. And then you add salt. And again, I only want probably half a teaspoon. It just makes such a difference, this salt. And then all that happens is it all gets mixed. And it tastes absolutely amazing. The recipe I used said olive oil. I don't have that in. I do love olive oil. It's really nice, but it is very expensive at the moment. Really expensive. So that's basically it, and it's gorgeous. So I'm going to cook my burger and serve that with the burger and with the pasta salad. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. It was fun having you with me. So if you like what we do on this channel, please give us a like and a subscribe. That always helps us, and I'll see you next time.